Hey guys, so today the project is I'm going to be building a hive stand for my beehives in the back of my property. I'm just going to get everything set up here. I got some 2x6x8s, 8-foot runners, and then I'm going to be blocking with 18-inch sections of 2x6 as well. I got a 12-footer here that I'm going to cut up for that blocking. For the time being, I'm just going to do one on each end, as I'm not sure exactly how those 6x6s are. I'm not going to try and make it an exact measurement. Just where they sit in their plumb, I'll accompany them by, blocking it in and screwing everything together so it's all one piece then. The reason I chose 18 inches is because your frame here will fit in an 18-inch slot, so that way I can hang it in between the hives as I'm doing an inspection and not have to worry about crushing bees or anything. So it was just something simple that I figure I can do as long as I'm building this anyways. So I pretty much just got some 2x6s, so two 2x6x8s and 2x6x12. Just like I said, I'm doing 8-foot length. And then I just got some 4-inch little leg screws that I'm going to use to hold it all together. And then I got some carriage bolts for actually attaching it to those posts themselves. So without further ado, I'm going to get cutting that 18-inch blocking. I'm going to be cutting 6 of them, 1 for each end, and then 2 for each side of the post. Alright guys, well I'm back here at the site of where I'm going to be putting my bees now. It's kind of hard because I have a lot of lowland back here, but I figure this will kind of be out of the way and provide them the best environment. So I'm just going to probably just plot out exactly how I want to place it, maybe even drop the board down and set my holes. I'm thinking I'm going to do them about 4 foot apart on center. Like I said, I mean, this isn't got to be exact, as I can kind of fudge it with those blocks however I need to. So next I'll get all that set up. Now, to be honest, I wanted to use the post hole digger for the tractor, but I just didn't feel like hooking it all up and I'd have to go get it from my father's house, so I'm just going to make do with the backhoe. Just try and keep them as deep and narrow as possible. We'll see how that goes. Well, you guys, I actually didn't expect the digging conditions to be so good. I mean, I got dry holes, everything's perfectly shaped. So I'm actually gonna frame this up on that 4-foot center for those 6x6s. And then I'm just gonna slip it on there and then set everything all at once. Maybe even tack a few screws in there if I'm having troubles with it moving. But I'll try and measure it out to being a tight fit. Well, if I had to do it all over again, I would have just assembled the entire unit up at the house, dug the holes and plopped it in. Obviously that's not the way it worked out. I mean, obviously he's all up and standing and I mean very sturdy. I mean, there's really no movement at all, and as the soil settles back in, it'll even get sturdier. So no complaints to that. Had to get this all done in order to get my packages of bees coming, as all 3 of my hives died over the winter. My fault, I believe, but there's nothing I can do about it, so I just wanted to make sure to get this done prior to them coming. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel to see more projects, and I'll have some beekeeping videos coming up. Thanks for watching.